You don't have to come here anymore.
Okay. Sounds like a deal. I love you, Everly.
Okay.
I love you, Everly.
Hey, we're still playing though.
Oh, you don't want to say I love you?
After, like when
I agree. So mine is my Everly. So I talk to my Everly. I don't know if you could see this. This is how I get to communicate with my granddaughter on this little thing. It's called a portal. And we give hugs in the air, kisses. We hide them in our shirts. Connie experienced the whole thing today. I'm sick of it. It's been since my wedding. It was the last time I see. Well, wait, when I went and picked up Nate. So July of 2021. It's a long time for a grandma that loves her to not see her granddaughter. I miss her so much, but so she's my why. I mean, she gets me up every day. She can make me cry in a heartbeat. I can close my eyes and just see her running at me, and I can start crying instantly. I mean, she brings so much joy to my life.